Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the iRobot Roomba 104. If you're interested in the 104, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we'll start with the top of the vacuum. Not much to do here. We have some smudges appearing on the glossy black cover, so you can always wipe that down. And then for the navigational bumper, just make sure there's no debris or obstacles or dirt or dust accumulating in here that would prevent the bumper from working properly. We'll move it to the side. We have a sensor on the front, so wipe that down periodically. Inspect the back side with the charging contacts, not much to do there. And then we're on the other side and back to that front sensor. Speaking of sensors, underneath we have multiple cliff sensors here that prevents it from driving off ledges or your steps. We have a side brush. This is easy to replace once it wears out. Dispose of the old one, take a new one, and then you just snap it right back in place. Same for the main brush roller. If you ever need to detangle it, you can cut the hair away. If this is worn out, dispose of it, and then you can add a new one. Super simple to just reinstall. Drop a new one in there, and you're all set and ready to go. This 104 version has your mopping module with the dustbin, so we can press to release. This is where you add water, nothing else to do there. This is where the main filter is. We do want to clean this periodically. So take a look at that filter. You can buy replacements of this filter as well. Compressed air will be your friend to get a lot of extra life out of the filter. You can follow the care instructions for it directly on it. We have our dustbin here. You can easily empty or wipe down as needed. And then for the mopping module itself, this just pops right off. This can be washed or disposed of. If you want to throw this in the washing machine, give it a good, nice, deep clean. Rinse it out, in your sink yourself. You can do that. You can buy replacements. It's just Velcro and microfiber right on there, and it comes right off. So you can just peel it off like this. See? Throw it in the wash or buy a new one if you really want. And then you can just take it, line it up like so, and then it just Velcros right in place like so, and then it lines up at those holes and it just snaps right back in place, and then everything snaps right back in place right there. So simple, straightforward to take care and maintain your iRobot Roomba 104 or 105.